In this video, I will show you how to make a Capcom account in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is open up a new mobile browser and come across to google.com. Next, in the Google search box, just go ahead and put Capcom ID. And what you want to do is click onto the top result. Now, if you want to, you can just come directly to the website, which is cid.capcom.com. So press onto that to be taken to the website. Now, if you look in the top, you're going to see this blue login button. What you want to do first is click onto that button. And what it's going to ask you to do first is select your country and enter your date of birth. So what you want to do is go ahead and choose this from the options given. Once that's done, go ahead and press the yellow next button underneath. Now what's going to happen, you're going to be taken to the login screen. If you look at the top, you can actually select sign up, so you can see login and sign up. So what you want to do is press onto sign up, and then all you need to do is enter an email address and a password that you would like to use. When this is done, click the provisional registration button, the blue button at the bottom. And what's going to happen, you're going to get a screen like this where what it's going to say is you've completed the first step of the registration process. What you now need to do is go into the email that you input to complete a quick verification. So here I am with the email up. Now, if you don't see this in your inbox, check your junk and spam folders because sometimes it does get sent through to that. But if you go into the email, what you're going to want to do is click the link in the email. And what it's going to do is say that the verification is complete. And now what you need to do is click the yellow button to go to the user information entry screen. Now what you want to do is select a nickname and choose your country or region, enter your date of birth. And then what you want to do is select your gender and choose whether you want to subscribe to the newsletter. Once that's done, go ahead and click continue. And it's going to ask you to review your information. So what you want to do is check you've entered everything correctly and then tick the box to agree to the terms of service underneath. Go ahead and click the yellow confirm button. And you'll see that your Capcom ID sign up process is complete. And what you can do is press the yellow go to account page to be taken to your account. So now you have your Capcom ID set up. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.